Ate Nene and Nanay Rams. Today,
It's called Limar.
yeah, today is Happy Easter. Samahan nyo kami guys, kami kakain. Yeah, our life. Hey guys, yan, nandito na kami ni Ate Nene. Yan ang aming food. Let's eat. Sarap po. What do you think? What is it? They have sweet and sour. Sweet. Also, there's something like we do not use it. You want ice cream also? Ilan ba sir? Ha? Yan guys ng kalit. Meron din sa sushi area guys. Hindi ako masyado mahilig. Yeah, to finish. How's the food? How's the chicken? Good? Guys, itatry natin yung chicken teriyaki na ganito. Grabe, busog na busog kami. Ang plate, ubos. Meron ulit tayo guys na moton barbecue. Hello. Wow. Grabe yung mukbang today. Keep that. Ito tayo. Hindi namin kaya guys, ubusin. Kaya amin iuuwi. Late din nila itong listener. No, not hard. But it's hard.
No, look, no. I think it's hard. Or harder. I think I'm take this from the
Good? This is a pancake. Wow. Oo, properly. Wow. Nice. Nice. Huh?
Lu ada bang juga.
Nice. Nice.
Nice. That's why she's eating another bite. Eh?
How's the food, tatay? Good. Alright. Try already.
It's not even food. There was food.
Yeah, this is our empty plate.
I think
Yeah, we have takeaway kasi hindi natin ubos, right? Hindi not finish. Nagutom ba kayo? Samahan nyo kami sa taas kasi pupunta kami sa grocery. We will go to grocery. Yeah. Yan guys! Yan na kami. Hindi namin alam kung pwede mag-video doon sa grocery. Kaya hindi kami nakapag-video. Got again ice cream and we buy some groceries and some food. May babalikan ka talagang mga pagkain dito kasi masarap siya. Katulad ng chips. Laging putok ang chicks ni Aray ko rin. Ito yan, loko-lokong yan. Yan ang clock tower. Clock tower. Bye! Oh, don't forget, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Bye-bye!